Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Barclays mobile banking, secure access step by step clearly. Open the Barclays mobile banking app on your device. If you haven't downloaded the app yet, go to your device's app store and search for Barclays. Once the app is installed, tap to open it. On the welcome screen, locate the login button and tap on it. You will be prompted to enter your login details. Enter your username in the first field. Then, input your password in the second field. Double-check that both entries are correct. If you have enabled biometric login, such as fingerprint or facial recognition, you may see that option as well. Select the appropriate option if you wish to use biometric login instead. Tap on the Login button to proceed. If you experience issues logging in, check your internet connection. If necessary, tap on Forgotten Password to reset your credentials. Follow the prompts to reset your password if you need to. If it's your first time logging in, you might be asked to complete further security verification. This could include answering security questions or entering a code sent to your registered mobile number. Once logged in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the app's interface. Ensure all your personal details are correct and up to date. Now you can navigate through the app to manage your accounts securely. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.